versa. Inside this enormous facility, Palmolive-style soap production begins with tons of carefully refined oils, fragrances.
Massive computerized mixers blend oils, surfactants, water, and additives with strict consistency.
Every hour, automated production systems shape, stamp, and transport thousands of soap bars with remarkable speed and effort. Inside this enormous facility, Palmolive-style soap production begins with tons of careful refined oils. Massive computerized mixers blend oils, surfactants, water, and additives with strict consistency control to create the soap base used for large-scale production. Every hour, automated production systems shape, stamp, and transport thousands of soap bars with remarkable speed. Before soap production begins, refined vegetable-based oils pass through industrial filtration and purification systems. Computer-controlled dosing equipment measures every ingredient precisely to maintain consistent cleansing performance, fragrance balance, and product safety. Inside heated reactors, oils and alkaline compounds undergo saponification, the chemical process that transforms fats into soap. Continuous mixing systems keep the soap blend uniform while preventing separation, ensuring texture consistency across the entire production batch. Fragrance compounds are added carefully at controlled temperatures to preserve scent quality during high-volume manufacturing.
Cosmetic-grade color additives are blended evenly into the soap base to create the recognizable appearance consumers expect.
Industrial vacuum dryers reduce moisture content, helping the soap reach the hardness and texture required for molding.
The dried soap material is extruded into soap noodles, a standard industrial form used before final shaping.
Refining rollers compress and smooth the soap mixture, improving texture and removing tiny air pockets before shaping.
Powerful plotting equipment compresses the refined soap into dense, uniform logs ready for cutting and stamping.
Automated cutters divide the soap logs into perfectly measured bars with extremely consistent dimensions.
Large storage silos temporarily hold processed soap material while automated systems prepare the next production stage.
Heavy-duty robotic systems load packaged soap into shipping cartons with remarkable precision and efficiency. Fully automated wrapping systems seal soap bars at extremely high speeds while protecting freshness and presentation quality. Traceability codes and production details are printed automatically for inventory management and quality tracking.
Automated packers group soap bars into retail bundles designed for supermarkets and large distribution networks.
Optical inspection systems automatically remove damaged or irregular bars to maintain strict factory quality standards. Hydraulic presses shape and emboss each bar with branding while maintaining smooth edges and consistent finish quality. Heavy-duty robotic systems load packaged soap into shipping cartons with remarkable precision and efficiency.
Every soap bar passes automated weight verification to ensure packaging accuracy and production consistency. Packaging machines synchronize wrapper feeds with conveyor speed to maintain efficient, continuous operation. Hydraulic presses shape and emboss each bar with branding while maintaining smooth edges and consistent finish quality.
Cooling tunnels stabilize the soap bars, allowing them to harden gradually before packaging begins.
Palletizing machines organize cartons into stable transport stacks, ready for warehouse distribution. Stretch wrap systems secure entire pallets to protect soap products during transportation across long supply routes.
Centralized control rooms monitor temperature, mixing ratios, conveyor speed, and quality metrics throughout the factory.
Many modern soap factories recycle process water through filtration systems to reduce industrial waste and improve efficiency. Industrial air filtration systems help maintain clean manufacturing conditions and protect product consistency. Strict industrial safety procedures help workers manage heavy machinery, heated systems, and chemical handling operations safely.
Laboratory teams test pH levels, texture, fragrance stability, and overall product quality before large-scale distribution.
Thanks for watching Factory Process Reality. Subscribe now for more authentic factory documentaries and behind-the-scenes industrial engineering videos. Behind every simple bar of soap is a highly engineered manufacturing system, operating continuously with precision and scale. After complex industrial processing, the finished soap finally reaches stores where millions of consumers use it every day.
Pallet secure, Mark?
Yes, almost strapped in. Send the next one.
Finished soap products move into automated distribution centers before shipment to retailers around the world.